Welcome to Aperture 3. This short video will show you the basics and help you get up and running. To get started, import some photos into your Aperture library. Click the Import button and then choose your photos from a camera, memory card, or hard disk. Aperture automatically organizes photos into projects, which you can name and organize using the Library Inspector on the left. Near the top of the inspector, you'll find a number of different ways to view and organize your entire photo library. Click Projects, and you can view your projects just like events in iPhoto. Just double-click a project tile to view the photos in that project. Faces lets you organize your photos by the people who are in them. To get started, just click Show Unnamed Faces. Aperture shows you some of the faces it's already detected in your photos. Just type in a name and hit Return to add that person to the Faces corkboard. Or you can select any photo of a person and click the Name button to add his or her name. On the corkboard, double-click a snapshot to see other photos that Aperture thinks may include that person. Then click Confirm to either accept or reject Aperture's suggestions. Places is another new feature that uses GPS data to map your photos based on where they were taken. Click the Places icon to view the interactive map. To add locations to photos that don't include GPS data, just drop them onto the map. In addition to your projects, places, and faces, the Library Inspector also shows you books, slideshows, and other things that you've created inside of Aperture. The inspector at the left has two additional tabs. When you click on the Metadata tab, the inspector will show you information about the currently selected photo. And when you click on the Adjustments tab, you'll be able to access Aperture's powerful photo editing tools. Here you can use adjustment presets to apply ready-to-use effects to your photos. For completely custom effects, enhancements, or retouching work, you can use any of the tools in the Adjustments Inspector, and add even more tools using the Adjustments pop-up menu. Aperture provides a number of different ways to view your photos as you work on them. Use the buttons on the right side of the toolbar to switch from view to view. Click the Browser button to see your photos as a thumbnail grid, or Viewer to see a larger version of each picture. Choose the Split View to see the thumbnail browser and the viewer at the same time. Click the Full Screen button to view your selected photos in a full screen view. Just double-click to switch between the full screen viewer and the full screen thumbnail browser. And when you're in full screen mode, you still have access to all of the tools you need to work with your photos. Aperture makes it easy to share and showcase your photos in print and on the web. Use the buttons on the toolbar to publish your selected photos directly to your MobileMe, Facebook, or Flickr account. You'll also see a pop-up menu called New in the toolbar. Here you'll find all the tools you need to turn your photos into a themed slideshow or into a professionally printed and bound photo book. To learn how to use any of these tools and do even more with Aperture, check out the video tutorials at apple.com or search the Help menu.